Crafting is not just folding of paper, it is where innovation and creativity meets. Hey everyone, myself Japji Deol of student GHG Academy, Kothe Baggu JAGRAON. Today the sun rays brings out a new activity in our school. It was an intersection activity. It was conducted between the students of 3rd to 5th, in which students actively participate in bottle making, flower vase making and flower basket making activity. All the students showed their creativity and with the sound of competition among them. Round 2 was conducted between the winners of Round 1. Position holders from Round 2 was declared as winners. Discover the creativity and potential of our shining stars with us. Proud to be GHGian.